This is the world record for 3x3. Notice anything? He's not using a typical Rubik's Cube, but a special one with magnets instead of springs. This got me thinking, what if the solve was done on a Rubik's brand? What I have here with me is what I consider the fastest Rubik's brand, and today I asked these lovely peoples to answer that question.
Alright, this Ming is the world's fastest Rubik's brand on the world record scramble. Here's a timer. Fastest time gets a prize.
That's not gonna be me.
Who knows, maybe.
He's slow.
Here you go.
Here we go, let's see what he gets.
3, 2, 1, go. Oops, I've already messed it up. Did you say this was the world's fastest Rubik's brand?
Yes.
I'm making so many mistakes.
Well, alright, let's see it. Oh, look up. What time did you get?
13:50.
13, nice. Alright, let's see this. Oh, what'd you get? Oh, 13. You did beat Joseph though. He's dead.
I don't know what to do. Okay.
Alright. Let's see it.
No.
Oh, what time was that?
8.1.
Alright. Oh, what'd you get?
8.36.
Oh, so Toby won and he gets this then.
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
So it turns horribly.
It doesn't turn.
No, but it's a nice collection.
Oh, this game nightmare to solve.
It is.
Thank
so
you.
you're welcome. All right, Toby won that. Nice.